Hey friends, it's Lisa back with a new layout for the cut shop. So today I'm using this beautiful cut file by the cut shop, which is called Fall Flowers. If you want to check it out, it's brand new, so you just have to go to the cut shop website, and then you can buy it there. It's called Fall Flowers. So I cut out the cut file with an orange paper, and I wanted to back the cut file, but it was this cut file is pretty intricate and like full of details, and it's very the leaves are very thin and everything, so the petals, not the leaves. So I didn't really want to back each flower with another color. So I decided to just use one color and use it for all the flowers. And I think it turned out very cute like this. So what I did in my silhouette program, I just used the outline of the whole thing and cut it out, so I didn't have to trace it and then cut it by hand. So my machine did everything, and it was pretty easy to do that. So, and then I stuck the yellow paper down, and what I've been doing here since the beginning is decorating the centers of the flowers. I used different kinds of pattern paper which had pink in them, and which were pretty much only pink, and I wanted this bright pink, and I love orange and pink together, and with the yellow it's amazing. I really love how it turned out. So, and for each flower for each center I choose a different embellishment. I have gems, that's the one I'm using just now. That's a little rhinestone, a gem, and then I have buttons in shape of flowers and hearts, and I also have brads. So, and for the buttons, I used a yellow thread and just did a little knot just to have a little detail. And then when I'm adhering the cut file on the yellow paper, I slightly stuck it down, like not exactly on the board, like not that the borders would match, but slightly behind or above the yellow cut file. Sorry, I can't really explain. So sorry. But I wanted the yellow to peek out from behind the cut from behind the cut file. I hope you understand what I mean. Sorry. So, and then here I'm creating a border for the whole thing, which I love to do. And I also cut out some scrap pieces of paper to mat my photo. That's what I'm doing here. Some more of those pink pieces. These are the papers that I used for the centers of the flowers. And then I'm just doing what I do a lot. I'm just backing or matting my photo, just using randomly the pieces, and then I will attach them with oh, hi kitty. Yeah, with the okay, looking for the word, not finding it, going on. Passing that. So adhering my picture to the papers, and then I was looking for the right placement of the photo for quite a while. I didn't really know if I wanted it to have some flowers like on the picture, or just some of the petals, or if I didn't really know how to place my photo. So I was looking for that for quite some time, and then I decided to go like this. Then I wanted to have another color on my layout, and what color is better to match with those colors than some mint green. But before I'm putting down the leaves, I wanted to have some mixed media on my page, but I really didn't want to ruin the page, and sometimes that happens with me when I'm doing mixed media. So I went the sure, like the more sure way, and I didn't like the less risky way. So I used some stickers. They are transparent with some color splotches and splatters on them, and you can use them, and they are matte, so they don't really you can't they are transparent but matte, so they don't really reflect the light, and that's very cool. So you don't you almost only see the splatter, and you can almost tell that it's a sticker and not really mixed media that you did on your page. And I really love stickers like those. I wish I could have a ton of those. Okay, so there I put the little cat, pink cat from the Dear Lizzie collection, which has nothing to do with the picture or the cut file, but it really doesn't matter to me, so I really loved it and I wanted to use it. And then some bees that I had from a older Pebbles collection, which I thought would look very cute. And this is, those are stickers, gold stickers from, if I'm not mistaken, Amy Tangerine collection, I think. Okay, so I found a placement for everything, and now I'm using the leaves and just checking where to put them. Yeah, and I wanted to use the little flowers on the left, also from the Dear Lizzie sheet, but they wouldn't really go, so I didn't use them. And then I'm adhering all the leaves, and yeah, I thought that this layout could use some black color because I have this black and white photo. So I really love to use some black on my layouts when I'm using a black and white photo. Not always, but a lot of times. And I also have these little black details on the bees, so I really wanted to use some black too. So, and I'm adhering the stickers with some glue because they don't really stick that good. I think you all know that. You must have experienced that. Okay, so what do I do now? Let's see. Oh yeah, just using some hearts. But do I use them? I don't think so. I don't use them. I'm trying, but no. So that's when I'm taking out the black ink. Oh yeah, I tried this before also, trying those transparent stickers, but they wouldn't really go. So yeah, that's the black ink. And yeah, just splattering some color around. And I always love some small and some big splatters. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, thanks for being here. See you soon. Bye bye.